My name is Stermecki and today I will show you a macro trick, and all you need is a camera and something small to photograph, obviously. Oh, then let me fix this real quick. Perfect. Okay, so for this we will use our lenses slightly different than we usually do. And first we need to detach the lens, and as always make sure that your camera is turned off and that your lens is in manual focus. Okay, now instead of putting it back on, we will turn it around just like this. So not as usual, but other way around. That way we will be able to focus much closer than we would be able to focus normally. Make sure to scroll focus wheel to the closest focus point, and if you're using zoom lens as I am, make sure to zoom in as well. I'm using a kit lens that you get with your camera, but this is really not that important, because what I want to show you here is that you can take macro photos with any lens you have. Another thing you'll notice is that you obviously can't set the aperture when shooting without lens, but you will be able to set all other settings as usual. There you can see me struggling to see through because you need to hold your lens separately, but when you get used to it, it's not that big of a deal. This is a picture that I got using this trick, and look at how close I was able to focus. For comparison, I will take some regular photos with the same lens, nothing special, just to show you how close you're able to actually focus when using it as usual. And here it is, big difference from a photo that we got using this trick. So whenever you want to shoot something from a really small distance, a really close up of something, this is a trick that will solve your problems if you don't get expensive real macro lenses. So yeah, it's your turn now. Found something small and try to photograph it from the closest distance you ever had. And remember to have fun. If you want to learn even more, make sure to subscribe, check my other videos, and please give this video a like. It would really help me a lot. See you on the next one.